If you have looked at your analytics recently, you might be seeing a confusing pattern. Your organic search traffic drops, but generic direct or referral traffic climbs for no obvious reason. That missing traffic hasn't vanished. It is actually coming from new AI answer engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity, but Google Analytics 4 is miscategorizing it, burying high-intent visitors in the wrong buckets. We are going to fix that. In the next 5 minutes, we will build a custom tracking system directly inside your GA4 property to measure exactly how much traffic these new engines are sending you. Before we start, you will need admin access to your GA4 account. You will also need a specific line of code, so go ahead and expand the video description below to keep it handy. Without this tracking infrastructure in place, it is impossible to know how your brand is performing in the new AI-first search economy. First, open your GA4 dashboard. Look to the bottom left and click Admin. Under the Data Display section, select Channel Groups. Do not edit the default channel group. If you alter the default group, you will permanently overwrite your historical data, and you cannot undo that mistake. Instead, look for the brightly colored button that says Create New Channel Group and click that. By building our rules here, we establish a safe, isolated testing environment. This lets us track new AI behaviors moving forward without destroying the integrity of your year-over-year reporting. Name this new group AI Referrals. Below that, you will see a drop-down menu for your condition. Set that to Session Source. Now change the match type to Matches Regex. Standard exact match filters are too weak here because AI platforms use dozens of different subdomains that constantly change. Copy the master regex string from the description and paste it here. The type symbols act as a sweeping OR operator, telling GA4 to capture traffic from ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, or Claude, and route them into our single custom bucket. Go ahead and click Save on your new channel configuration. Using this single string methodology is highly efficient. It replaces dozens of manual tracking rules and creates a scalable net that will automatically catch future AI platforms as they launch. Step 3 is the most critical execution step. In your channel list, click and drag your new AI Referrals channel to the absolute top of the rule hierarchy. Google Analytics processes rules sequentially. Placing our AI rule at the top guarantees the system checks for AI traffic first. If left at the bottom, standard rules like organic search trigger first, swallowing the data before it reaches your AI category. In software architecture, the hierarchy of a rule is just as important as the rule itself. The order dictates your reality. We have one more gap to close. We need to capture shadow AI. This is traffic from mobile AI apps or privacy-focused browsers that strip out referral headers completely, masquerading on your site as generic, direct traffic. To hunt this traffic down, navigate out of the admin panel and open the GA4 Explorations tab. Click to build a custom segment. We are going to set 3 specific conditions. First, set session source to direct. Second, set user type to new. Set landing page to exclude homepage. This targets a very specific behavioral signature. A brand new user manually typing a massive exact URL to land directly on a deep product page is a statistical impossibility. That is almost certainly a machine click-through. True data analysis requires interpreting these complex human behavioral signatures. You cannot just blindly trust default software tags. Now go back to your standard traffic acquisition report. Toggle your primary dimension to display your new custom channel group. Instead of hiding in the generic referral pile, you will now see a dedicated, populated data row proving exactly how much AI traffic is arriving. You have moved from guessing about your visibility in AI engines to having factual, measurable data right on your dashboard. Now that you can see this traffic, your next strategic step is to capture more of it. That means optimizing your content so AI engines cite your brand over your competitors, a process called generative engine optimization. Click the video on your screen right now to learn how to do exactly that.